How to sign up to Alibaba AI Qwen 2.5. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the storage box, type in Qwen 2.5 AI. Login and then search far right. With that, different website link will appear. Navigate to the Qwen website option. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now click on login. Click on the option of sign up. Now you have to fill up this, or what you can do, use Google account or GitHub to sign up for Qwen account. For this video I am going to provide all these details. I am gonna fill this first. Type in the username and then type in your email address and then generate the password. Now checking for this option. I agree with the term of service and privacy policy. Once you fill out this, click to on create account. The account is pending activation. Please activate your account to verification email in your inbox so you can launch your mail app. Now you have to confirm the activation. You will be receiving mail from the Qwen. Open the mail and click on activate my account. Use any of the browser. With that, your account has been activated. Now you can provide your credential over here and log into your account. Qwen 2.5 is the latest version of Qwen large language model. Qwen 2.5 proposes significantly more knowledge and has greater enhanced capability in coding and mathematics. Due to specialized expert model in this domain, it offers multilingual support for over 29 languages, including Chinese, English, French, Spanish, and many more. Once logged, when you are able to use this, so this way you are able to sign up for Alibaba Qwen 2.5. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.